Starting around the 19th of June 2023, Axie limitlessness especially is exchanging at $4.96 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.7% in kind of most recent 1 hour, and in every way that really matters, significant way. Axie generally has a really all-out market cap of $582,061,301 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $27,876,839 in every practical sense, significant way. This especially makes Axie endlessness extremely positioning at 60 in the cryptographic money market, which for the most part is very huge. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Axie limitlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie vastness basically be certainly worth in 2023? Is Axie limitlessness a genuinely wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023? Will Axie cost outperform its record-breaking high, which explicitly is very huge? These essentially are our Axie endlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2023 as per the Axie limitlessness figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Axie cost truly is supposed to cross in every practical sense normal value level of $6. The normal sort of least value worth of Axie vastness toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to basically be $5.81. For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Axie can arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $6.76, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie vastness value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness explicitly is supposed to in a real sense be at around at least $4.55 in a for the most part significant manner. Axie vastness cost can in a real sense arrive at a truly limit of $5.17 with the genuinely normal cost of $5.03 in USD, which generally is genuinely huge. Axie vastness value gauge July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness by and large is in every practical sense anticipated to for the most part arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $5.23, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $5.42 and a kind of least of $5.04 in an extremely huge manner. Axie value gauge August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Axie vastness essentially is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $5.15, exhibiting that is Axie limitlessness a kind of wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie cost could basically arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $5.69 with the very normal cost around $5.39 in an exceptionally huge manner. Axie value gauge September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Axie endlessness is supposed to generally arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $5.41. So will Axie cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, which really is genuinely critical? The Axie cost could fundamentally arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $5.90 with the really normal cost around $5.60, which generally shows that starting around the 19th of June 2023, Axie boundlessness sort of is exchanging at $4.96 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.7% in by and large most recent 1 hour in an especially significant manner. Axie limitlessness value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Axie endlessness basically is especially anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a truly normal cost of $5.72, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $6.18 and at least $5.48, or so they truly thought. Axie boundlessness value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Axie vastness cost basically is conjectured to really arrive at a most reduced cost of $5.59. Showing how Axie value gauge August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Axie endlessness essentially is supposed to especially arrive at a very least value worth of $5.15, exhibiting that in every practical sense. Is Axie limitlessness an especially wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 and in every practical sense, enormous way? The Axie cost could fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest cost of $6.47 with the really normal expected cost around $5.83. Certainly further appearance how Axie value figure August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Axie boundlessness especially is supposed to for the most part arrive at a by and large least value worth of $5.15, exhibiting that essentially is Axie limitlessness in every practical sense wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast December 2023. The cost of Axie vastness sort of is certainly anticipated to generally reach at a truly least worth of $5.81 in December 2023, which truly is very critical. The Axie cost could for the most part arrive at an especially greatest worth of $6.76 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $6 all through 2023. Exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie vastness especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Axie Infinity's cost in a real sense has shown a very decent increment of 1.26% in the for the most part most recent 24 hours in an exceptionally significant manner. From very most recent 7 days the Axie truly was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.95%, showing how Axie boundlessness value expectation December 2023. The cost of Axie limitlessness is in every way that really matters, anticipated to especially reach at an essentially least worth of $5.81 in December 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness generally has shown extremely kind of solid by and large potential recently, and this could be fundamentally great chance to in a real sense dive right in and contribute, which shows that also Axie can basically arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $6.76. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie basically diminished by 47.199%. Killing an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $4.44 from its by and large current worth, showing the way that the Axie cost could in a real sense arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $6.76 with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $6 all through 2023, which in every way that really matters is very critical. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be an excellent generally purchase and open door for in every practical sense. Fast interest in an unpretentious way. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 57.70%, and the cost flowed from a truly least exceptionally normal cost of $10.80 to genuinely greatest pretty normal cost of $12.31 in the kind of beyond 90 days, which in a real sense is very critical. Axie endlessness especially is somewhere near 25.37% with the in every way that really matters. Greatest normal cost of the coin especially was around $6.96, and the truly least all things considered normal cost of truly was around $6.76 in every practical sense. Recent months, or so they most certainly thought. Axie limitlessness value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will by and large be Axie vastness truly worth in 2023? Which especially is very huge. The Axie cost basically is gauged to especially arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $6.76 with sort of least cost of $5.81 toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting how Axie boundlessness really has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to by and large dive right in and contribute, which certainly shows that besides Axie can truly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $6.76 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Axie boundlessness in every way that really